brother has to play with special friends for them. One thing, one animal, one person or place, they all play with brother hands. But if you have more than one thing, animal, person or place, they all play with brother hands. So don't you ever forget that hands has to go, always with singular nouns. With pronouns you and I, remember who has to go. It can only be brother have. Two brothers has in hand on the way to the park. They're going to play with their friends. But each brother has to play with special friends for them.
Let's practice. Use have or has in the spaces below. Something bread on my plate. Yes, I have bread on my plate. We use have because the subject is I. A dog something a wet nose. Fantastic. A dog has a wet nose. We use has since the word dog is singular. School's something been closed. Wonderful. Schools have been closed. We use have because schools is plural. Something you cleaned your room? Great! Have you cleaned your room? We use have since the word you is seen as plural. Remember to always start the sentence with a capital letter. It something a long tail. Wonderful. It has a long tail. We use has since it refers to one thing. Bye.